do it again? Yeah? Ready? 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 Catch. Good. Good.
Here's all Batman vehicles. Batman's planes and all of his different Batmobiles. Bat choppers. Bat boats. Oh, Han Solo. What's he doing in there? Is Han Solo in his car? Yep, all the different Batmobiles, cartoon, television show. Yep, Joker cars, including like his thugs cars. And Batplane. Those printed ones, like Catwoman. And the Joker, I don't think the Joker ever drove around with a car that said the Joker on it, but maybe. Never can tell. Batman. Oh, no, that's not the one I was thinking of. Oh, there it is. I think this one's Batman Returns with... no, that's not it either. There's that one swoopy one. See my tag. Oh, yeah, here's the Black Bandit. He's in there, being the Black Bandit. And it's GTO. GTO Judge 70. All blacked out, so he can be a bandit. Got milk. Remember when that was a thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and here's some more of the Black Bandits. They're all murdered out, all the Black Bandits. Yeah. Here's a Black Bandit cop car. There's a Roadster. And there's a black GTX 64, I think, Plymouth. That's like Joel's car that he had. Audi. Black Bandit Camaro. And this is a little fueler truck. You can see its fuel tanks inside. Here's where the fuel pumper comes out. Pull it out, fill up your car. There's where the guys sit in by the pine engine. I guess it's kind of hot in there. Yeah. Wacky fuel truck. What is this? Mini Cooper convertible. Oh no, it's a PT Cruiser convertible. Looks like. Squished Batmobile.
All right, give me a hug.